Okay.
When I was a kid, too much dog bite me here.
Oh.
Must be still, deep cut हो गया था थोड़ा.
एक ही डॉग ने किया ये सब?
हाँ पूरा.
Oh.
I was crying. 3 बार. It should have attacked me once and left.
Yeah.
Here? Oh my god.
Trauma.
Lost of masculinity. And it becomes so weird to tell people because of a dog.
Yeah.
But then once we were trekking in the outskirts of Bangalore.
Huh.
It's on December 12th, 2020.
Okay.
That's this Gemini meteor shower, you know, right?
Who? What?
Meteors.
Meteors? हाँ.
So that's a day for Gemini meteor shower.
अच्छा.
Where the meteors will peak on that day for an entire year. So I was in Bangalore.
हाँ.
So we wanted to go as far as possible from Bangalore.
Okay.
So that there is no light.
Okay.
And find a mountain so that we can climb and see the stars. That was the plan.
हाँ.
So we have started at 11:30 in the night.
हाँ.
So we knew that the meteors will peak at 2 to 2:30 beach में.
हाँ.
So we reached the bottom of the mountain at some mountain at 1 o'clock. We started trekking. We lost the track. It's so fucked up.
हाँ.
Bushes.
हाँ.
No path. It was all dark. We had our torches and all, but फिर भी
हाँ.
nothing. But then a dog appeared. The
Showed you
dog,
the
we
way.
kept following the dog.
Yeah.
The dog led us all the way from these bushes and this kacha rasta to a proper trail which leads to the top of the mountain.
Oh.
You dog.
Nice.
Then I kept 11 dogs since then.
Oh, you've had 11 dogs at
No,
home?
no, I kept loving dogs since then.
Achha, kept loving dogs.
हाँ.
I heard I kept 11 dogs since.
No, I can't. कैसे है? अभी
कहाँ?
हाँ. Small no, if I have 11 dogs, they should be with us, पीछे, like a family. आजा बेटा, आजा.
सारे साथ चल रहे हैं.
मोनू, टोनी, हाँ, चिंटू, बंटी. And we will be done with the nicknames and all. We need to name them some. Dhoni, Sachin, आजाओ.
रोहित, सोनू.
I can keep some good energetic dog के लिए Roman.
यार इधर पेड़ बहुत किलर है.
हाँ.
इन जनरल बैंगलोर में भी क्या किलर पेड़ है?
Big.
Big.
Old, huh?
Old.
So this must be like too old.
Yeah.
What's the scene with COVID अभी?
चल रहा है यार.
हाँ.
हाँ. मेरी बहन को भी हो गया उधर दिल्ली में.
Recently.
अभी 2 दिन
She's infected.
या. बट कोविड फिर भी ठीक है यार. दिस मंकी पॉक्स बिजनेस दैट
Good. Not,
you don't want.
I'm not coming to
Anywhere.
North anytime soon.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll stay in Vizag. At least till August 2021. Okay.
This is the palace.
No, it shouldn't be. Are there multiple palaces?
Could be. और probably that one. वो थोड़ा grand लग रहा है सामने.
हाँ सिर्फ we go straight.
Okay.
सही है.
The things that they've written, dying to take the call. Like harsh.
कन्नड़ा
Hindi.
हिंदी आता है. बोलो. You speak English? कन्नड़ा. तेलुगु? तमिल. Mysore Palace. Yes.
இந்த வராது அந்த ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆர்கெட்
हाँ
ஸ்ட்ரைட் போல
हाँ हाँ.
இந்த ஸ்ட்ரைட் போல
Okay. हाँ हाँ.
ஸ்ட்ரைட் இந்த స్ట్రైట్ ఫుల్ స్ట్రైట్
ठीक है.
అండ్ మైసూర్ ఇక్కడే మైసూర్ ప్యాలెస్
Okay.
ఆర్గెట్ ఇక్కడే సింగపూర్ మైసూర్ ప్యాలెస్ ఇది సరిగ్గా చేస్తానా అది కూడా కడుమలే టెంపుల్ అందులో పోంగు అది స్ట్రైట్ ఇది రైట్ తిరుగు
हाँ.
అది స్ట్రైట్ ఇది మైసూర్ ప్యాలెస్
Okay. Thank you. I didn't get anything. I just get straight.
Yeah.
Fine. Informative.
Yeah.
Still.
Yeah. Oh.
Are we gonna
Aquarium.
get fish here? Oh no. Not a fish food place. But
Fish viewing place.
underwater zone. Oh. Shall we?
देखें? चलो.
Must be good.
Looks fun.
I don't know how much will it charge.
Okay. Okay.
बैंगलोर तो
वही. But वही है कि you cannot, मतलब place is something, but then people come from all over the country, right? So
हाँ, no, the thing is, based on the place you stay, people tend to behave in such a way.
correct.
हाँ,
Correct.
maybe because of the place का aura or the place का security, everything.
Yeah.
You can't do a lot of crazy stuff in Bangalore. You'll be fucked up.
Yeah.
But you can do a lot of other stuff in small places, right?
हाँ,
Tier 2
हाँ,
cities.
हाँ,
That's
हाँ,
how it
हाँ.
is. But still, I mean, this Bangalore thing was, oh my god.
ये तो बहुत ही messed up. So I was making a video at that point, so I plan to upload that as well. So that is the real stuff now.
Yeah.
As in the incident was kind of caught on the camera. The person is walking,
हाँ,
I'm going,
हाँ.
and then like when he just touches me, my camera goes like this. So that is recorded, and then I'm like, dude, what the hell? फिर 1 minute और record करके I stopped. So I plan to add that as well.
हाँ.
ऊपर
हाँ स्ट्रेट clouds are so good. बढ़िया sunset हो रहा है. बढ़िया किसको पूछ रहे हो ऑटो? वो मैं
कैसे लेके ऑटो?
हाँ पागल है क्या? Walk all the way to Chamundi now and die there.
And die there. खत्म किस्सा.
Paris? Burj Khalifa? Paris is something else. The clouds went out.
Yeah.
Mysuru.This oh dude
दशहरा.
हाँ yeah Dashra in Mysuru
Oh.
famous.
Oh yeah, I recall somebody telling me about it as well.
Dashra is famous.
कि वो 10 दिन मस्त मजे करते हैं, सारा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं फुल पावर ना.
Yeah, I mean Dashra here and Dashra in Gujarat.
Gujarat
Garba
also.
and all, हाँ.
Oh yeah.
That is also pretty famous. Maybe this time I might go to Gujarat. I have a friend there.
गुजरात. अच्छा गुजरात में भी तो वी ऑल्सो हैव ज्योतिर्लिंगम सोमनाथ.
Somnath, yeah. If I go to Gujarat, I mean, if I go, then I'll do this. Maybe in winter I'll go,
हाँ
or if Dashra के time पे I'll go.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
I'll do Dashra, Somnath, and Run of Kutch.
रन ऑफ कच्छ.
So, Arishal Mana, you have gone on a bus?
I took the bus.
Okay, huh?
हाँ.
Cool.
वेरी नाइस. बहुत मजे आए.